What's up, YouTube? It's Neil Mustangs, part 2 of my Sonic Blue Pearl project. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for the notifications when I get new videos, because like I said, I'm going to be posting a lot about this. I'm going to introduce you to its parts car. I know it's a shame. It's a pretty nice little white car. You say, well, Dan, why are you parting that out? Well, you know, I mean, that whole thing is missing underneath. And underneath the tank's got a big hole in it, and the torque boxes are practically ripped out of it. Which is sad, but you know what? You find these in Ohio like this all the time. And the wheel wells are starting to go bad on both sides. But anyways, we got a nice engine here. It's got a GT40 intake, or I'm sorry, a GT40 heads, rockers rebuilt. The intake's going to be sold on eBay. I'm not real interested in the SSI. I'm just going to put my ported GT40 Explorer intake on. We're going to do some cleaning up. That motor's going to go in here. Naturally, we're going to use some of the parts like the Cobra insert needed the horse and the strut bar, or the bar underneath. You know, with the fog lights, and these lights are real nice. We're going to use the saline wing in the back and have it painted. Anyways, I wanted to show you real quick what we've done so far. Paul and Fred have been working pretty aimlessly at this. As you can see, we got the other axle in that we were working on with the 5-lug conversion. We're going to clean this off a little bit, but we're going to put new brake hardware and stuff on here. You know, like I said, we're not going to go crazy with this car. I know there's a lot of room for mods, but that's the whole point. But you can see we've done painted the whole underneath of it, you know, several layers of POR and rustoleum, so we can keep it clean. We got a nice clean tank that's about to go in it. You can see the whole floor's been done. Looks real good. I mean, this is stuff you could do to your car. All you need is a grinder. I mean, you don't need a lift, but you need a little grinder, get into all these little corners, cut out all the dust, and literally you can go to Home Depot and buy a gallon of industrial rustoleum and do it yourself, you know what I mean? And it'll seal the car up and make it nice and clean for a while, you know? These torque boxes are in really good shape. They're not torn. A lot of people don't know this, but usually when torque boxes tear, they're usually up here in the spot welds. That's when it starts to really fall apart. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys a quick video, what we got going on. Next time you see it, you should be in a little bit better, a little bit more. You know, it's gonna take some time. We got a lot of work to do. Anyways, peace out.